Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, April 30th, last day of the trading month. We're looking at Window Traders Market Profile of the SPY IWM and Triple Qs. And just like we said in last night's video, there's really nothing, they had nothing to lean on after yesterday's action, these short-term algos and retail traders. We had the high and the low. No wide POC, no pullbacks, no single prints, you name it. I did say K's high from Wednesday and C's high from yesterday would be fairly important. We had an outside day up yesterday, which is bullish. Look where we are. I had a friend of mine who knew what kind of day I had yesterday. This morning text me where he was seeing the market trade, and he's like, that's got to be frustrating. I said, you know what? You have to move on. You have to move on, right? We have to respect how much they can move this market, these short-term traders. There's no way I'm going home with a short position. If we can come out of balance with the way we closed outside day up, you could gap up. So, like I said, it's a flip of a coin most times on the next day's open, and that's why I want to come in unbiased with no position. So it doesn't really matter what I did yesterday, whether it would have worked this morning or not. What matters is we're still seeing the market fairly well, and we're going to get tremendous chop inside of yesterday's range throughout the early part of today at least. So destinations. Right now, on the upside, there's only two. The overnight high of 420.11 and 420.72, which right now is our all-time high and would be the monthly high. Important things. If we don't take out yesterday's high, it becomes the monthly high, right? So that's important. For the downside right now, we have 417.14, our overnight low, and then we don't have anything until we get more market-generated information to yesterday's low of 416.44. Then the real important one, 416.30. That's the bottom now of a 4-day balance. We got close to it yesterday and bounced off it tremendously by $4. And $4 seems like a big move, and it is, but we do have to put into context, it is a $400 stock. It's a 1% move. Now, we went down 4 and up 4, but that's a different story. And then you should have all the destinations I gave you throughout the week on these videos down to at least the 411.13 area. So please check those if you don't have them. So game plan for this morning. Well, again, we are going to have tremendous chop inside of here. There's really nothing to lean. If there's nothing to lean on for the algos and retail traders, why would it be any different for us? And to me, it's really not. So, two plays that you could take if you are to push down to yesterday's low. Again, it's a very visual area. You want to take a long against this 4-day balance low, you can do that. But I can assure you, if you get any acceptance below Tuesday's low, I would get out, because this trend day that's held tremendously since the 23rd, those single prints and that lowest accepted price would get eaten up in a heartbeat. I thought it was going to happen yesterday. So if you get acceptance, and that's the key word, I would be out of that long. As far as a short play, if you are to push up, again, that's what I did the short yesterday, basically against the single prints and against Wednesday's high and C's high where change took place. Well, they keep disrespecting where change took place. But if they do push up again, I would absolutely take that short play against it. But there's nothing to lean on above it. So any acceptance above C's high from yesterday, I would be out of that trade today a lot sooner than I was yesterday. Again, early plays in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room, where the profile is being live streamed all day. And then on the charts, I'm just going to show you the daily and the SPY. Remember, tonight we do the total recap of IWM, Qs, and SPYs from top down, monthly through daily. Outside day up right now, being kind of disrespected. Bulls are not following through. It's a 4-day balance. Again, you can definitely use Tuesday's low as the bottom of it. You can even use Wednesday's high right now as a very visual point. If you get acceptance above it, we should get back to yesterday's high. If not, you'll rotate to the bottom of the balance. Overnight right now is short, so we'll see if there is an inventory correction up to that level we just spoke about. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.